So this is another question from NEET 2018 examination. Question number is 159. Okay, so what they are asking in the question is the following. So they have given you a reaction. Okay, so the reaction is phenol in the presence of chloroform and sodium hydroxide gives you this product. Okay, and they have asked what is the electrophile involved in this reaction. So this is a very famous Reamer-Tiemann reaction. I believe that you all have read about these reactions. So this question was pretty simple. Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Okay, so what are they asking? Okay, so you basically have to know the mechanism of the reactions if you want to know what is the function of chloroform and sodium hydroxide in this particular reaction. Okay, so there has like 4 options and the correct answer was option number 3, which was dichlorocarbene. Okay, so if you know the mechanism, you can easily tell that this is the species which is going to react as a electrophile in this particular reaction. So we mentioned dichlorocarbene as this. Okay, so how, if you know the mechanism is like first CaCl3. So you have CH, this is your chloroform. Okay, what happens is NaOH reacts with this. So NaOH is a strong base, so what it will do, it will abstract the proton, right? So what is the product of this reaction is this. Okay, and then what will happen, because this is unstable, what will happen, chlorine is a good leaving group, so this reaction will proceed via chloride elimination, and what you will gain is this. Okay, the intermediate in this reaction, which is nothing but dichlorocarbene. Okay, and now this species is going to act as a electrophile. So what happens basically is this. So you have phenol on the other hand, and again your strong base is present. Okay, so you have phenol in the presence of your base. So this base is going to attack on this acidic proton. So what is going to happen is, let's say this, and this is going to take this particular proton, so it will have a minus charge. Okay, and now what will happen, so now this intermediate will come, dichlorocarbene will come. Okay, so this bond will go here and this is going to attack on our intermediate dichlorocarbene. So hence it acts as a electrophile in this reaction. It accepts electron from phenoxide ion. Okay, and then what happens, through a series of fluoride elimination reaction, you finally reach up to this product, which is aldehyde. Okay, and this is nothing, simply because the base is present, so we get a salt and we do not get a neutral product. You can say you get a salt in the product as a product. Okay.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.